What happened if Earth stopped spinning for 5 seconds? At this exact moment, you are moving at 1,000 miles per hour. You don't feel it because the Earth, the atmosphere, and everything you see is spinning in perfect synchronization. But if the Earth stopped spinning for just 5 seconds, the world as you know it would end in a heartbeat. The Earth would stop, but physics would not. Because of inertia, everything not bolted to the bedrock would continue moving at 1,000 miles per hour. People, cars, and buildings would be launched sideways at supersonic speeds. You wouldn't just fall over, you would become a kinetic projectile, shattered against the first solid object you hit. The atmosphere would keep moving too. Supersonic winds would scour the surface of the planet, shredding forests and stripping the topsoil down to the stone. The friction between the stationary crust and the racing air would generate enough heat to ignite global firestorms. But the most terrifying change is the water. The Earth's rotation bulges the oceans at the equator. The moment that rotation stops, the gravity of the poles would take over. A wall of water miles high would rush away from the center of the world. It wouldn't be a wave, it would be the ocean itself, moving to swallow the northern and southern hemispheres in a silent, unstoppable flood. For 5 seconds, the Earth is a graveyard of kinetic energy. The magnetic field, generated by our spinning core, would flicker and fail, exposing the surface to a direct blast of solar radiation. Then, after 5 seconds, the Earth starts spinning again. But the world it returns to is gone. The cities are dust. The oceans have moved. The mountains have cracked under the sudden, violent jolt of the restart. We live our lives on a platform of pure momentum. We are separated from total annihilation by a spin we can't even feel. Pray it never skips a beat.